everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to switch your account on Roblox and you are looking out how to do so, today we are gonna guide you through the process. For that, let's just dive right in and get started. Open up Roblox in your browser for that. And once you open up Roblox in your browser, you can just go over, type in Roblox and open it up on your browser or even the application itself. And once you access it up, what you need to do is basically look out for the gear icon or the settings in the top right corner and select it. And just go over and select the option of switch accounts directly. So you can find the option called switch accounts directly if you want to switch your account on Roblox. And once you select that option right there, you can select this option of add account. And once you select this add account option right here, all we gotta do is use up credentials. Now on the login screen, you need to enter your username in this field right here, providing your username, email, or phone that is associated with your next account. Once it is entered, right below it, you need to enter your password for your account. And once your password is entered, just select this option of login. And you will be switched to the account that you want to. Roblox, you can just go and follow up this method for that. If you'd like to use different browsers, different same account in different browsers, you can follow up the same process by opening up different browsers, and that should probably work for you. Now you can easily switch between the Roblox account. So therefore, everybody, make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.